Hello students, I am Himanshu Deka of Assam Downtown University. So this is the third portion of the topic loan license and repacking license. As in my previous videos, I have already discussed what is loan license and repacking license, and in the next video I have discussed what are the conditions required to be fulfilled for getting a loan license. So now I am going to discuss the condition for getting a repackaging license. So a license in form 25B shall be subjected to the conditions state following. So following are the conditions that required to fulfill for getting a repackaging license for drugs. The repackaging of drugs shall at all times be conducted under the personal supervision of at least one person who is approved as competent person by the licensing authority. So the repackaging of any drug formulation needed to be done under personal supervision of a competent person, that is competent person like a registered pharmacist or a person having holding the degree of MSc. So those persons are eligible for supervision of repackaging of drugs. The licensee shall either provide and maintain adequate arrangement in his own premises for carrying out tests for the repackaging drugs or at any other institution approved by the licensing authority. So after repackaging of drugs, the drugs formulation needed to be tested for its strength, quality and purity. So the licensee should maintain adequate quality control facility in his own premises. If he don't have the premises for performing the quality control test, then he may send the samples to another facility who is authorized to perform this kind of test by the licensing authority. Then next is the licensee shall make adequate arrangement for the storage of drugs. So for example, for biological drugs that is included in schedule C and C1, it should be stored below room temperature, that is 25° centigrade. So for repackaging of biological drugs, there should be adequate storage facility provided by the licensee so that the drug don't deteriorate during storage. The next point is the license and any certificate of renewal in force shall be kept on the licensed premises and shall be produced at the request of the inspector. So the repackaging license or any other registration certificate needed to be kept in the repackaging facility, and if somebody visit like the drug inspector or any other inspector sent by the licensing authority, the licensee needed to be provide that document, that license, the registration certificate to that inspector. Any change in the competent staff name in the license shall be forthwith reported to the licensing authority. So repackaging of drugs is carried out under supervision of some qualified person. Either qualified that person leave that responsibility, and the licensee or the repackaging manufacturing unit appoint someone else. It should be informed to the licensing authority. If the licensee want to repack for sale or distribution additional item, he should apply for the licensing authority for necessary endorsement to this license. Next is the drugs repacked under this license shall bear on their label, apart from the particulars required by the rules, the name and address of the licensee, the number of license under which the drug is repacked, preceded by the word RPG license number. So For every repackaging batch, there should be a specific repackaging license number, and it should be mentioned in the packet or the container containing the drugs. So the licensee allow inspector to inspect the repackaging facility at any point of time, and the next point in the licensee should maintain inspection book so that the inspector make his entry or the record, and it should be near that the inspector can submit the records to the licensing authority. Then the licensee shall maintain refined sample from each batch of the drugs manufactured by him in a quality which in quantity which in at least twice the quantity of drugs required to conduct all the tests performed on the batch. For example, for complete quality control test for a batch of tablets, 100 tablets is required. So the licensee or the repackaging party should kept at least 200 tablets for further test in future. So these are the few conditions for getting a repackaging license. So in 3 portions of the video, I have discussed what is license, loan license, repackaging license, what are the conditions of getting a loan license, and what are the conditions of getting a repackaging license. So that's all for this topic. Thank you.